It was a busy day. Orders were coming in non-stop. Everything was moving fast. Until suddenly everything stopped. One rider called, "Boss, my battery is dead." Another message came in. "We are stuck. We can't continue." Within minutes, more riders started complaining. Some were waiting to charge. Some were already late. Customers were calling, "Where is my delivery? Why is it taking so long?" The business owner sat there, watching everything slow down. Time was going. Money was going. And there was nothing he could do. Because the problem was not the riders. It was the system. That day, he made a decision. He said, "This cannot continue." He started looking for a better solution. That's when he found Tycorun. He didn't just buy electric motorcycles. He changed how his business works. He got multiple Tycorun bikes, and he installed the battery swapping cabinet. The next day, everything changed. Now, when a battery is low, riders don't wait, and they go to the cabinet, swap in minutes, and continue working. No delay, no shutdown. The business keeps moving. Orders keep going. Money keeps coming in. That's why smart delivery businesses don't wait anymore. They choose systems that keep them moving. If you want your business to run without stopping, get your electric motorcycles and battery swapping system from Tycorun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.